Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kate if you're new here, and I'm so excited for this trip. So today we're doing a quick pack with me video for a beach vacation. It is currently May 23rd and we are going on a week vacation to Point Pleasant Beach in New Jersey with Ryan's family, and I'm so excited. So Ryan and I just took some time to pack up, but I was gonna walk you through how we pack. Without further ado, let's just walk right through it. So since we are leaving right after I film this video to go to the beach, we will definitely be vlogging like the entire trip, and I'll be showing you guys like all of my outfits day to day. And if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok or any of the social platforms really, you'll be able to see all of the outfits I wear and like all of the looks I put together for the trip. But I'm just gonna show you kind of like the overview. This is my suitcase. She's beautiful and holds a lot of stuff. So in this compartment, we have dresses, pajamas, matching sets, and certain pants. And then on this side of things, we have all of the bikinis, cover-ups, have some hot girl walk outfits, and then we have like jeans, tops, and bras, underwear, socks, all in there. So Ryan's gonna come close this for me when I'm ready. Then I'm bringing this really cute tote bag from Aerie. Here I have some random stuff, like I have my tripod, I have this cute little hat that I got, and then I actually have a bunch of like little props for a beach picnic in here. So that's basically what's in this bag. The next bag is from the Beach Club. I'm going to use this on the beach along with some other tote bags, but I thought this was so cute to bring. So I ended up putting in a bunch of like my hair stuff, body care stuff, shower stuff, skincare. Also wearing all of my jewelry. This is a good time to kind of say that. I'm wearing like most of it. And I also have to do my nails. Next we have this really cute Primark tote bag. In here we have medications, towels, and all of my makeup in this little cube. This backpack, I have my laptop, iPad, chargers, AirPods, literally just like all of the electronic things. And then in this backpack, Ryan and I have our extra shoes. So right now I'm just wearing my flared leggings from Victoria's Secret and this cute little pullover that says East Hampton, New York. So yes, this is pretty much everything I'm bringing for me. I know it's a lot, but I'm a little bit high maintenance, I won't lie. Now Ryan and I are about to pack up our food that we want to bring, and I don't know if I mentioned this, but where we're going is only like an hour and a half away from where we live. So I am packing as much as I can because usually when we're traveling, we travel on a plane and we can only bring like a suitcase and a backpack, and I'm limited, but this time there's like no limit to how much I can bring. So I'm kind of just going crazy and I'm allowing myself to do that. So as far as the other things we're bringing, we are just going to be bringing any type of food that will go bad in our fridge if we don't eat it soon. So I actually have an entire pack of strawberries, a whole thing of bananas, potatoes, bacon, like I have all of this stuff that I want to bring. Some of my ideas for this trip are to do like hot girl walks. I'm going to do sunset picnics. Love picnics on the beach. We're staying in a really nice little house and it's like an Airbnb property. It's really, really pretty, so I'm going to definitely shoot content there as well. I'm just so excited for the whole trip. I've been waiting so long for this and I can't wait. But anyway, we are going to go pack the food up and then the car, and we are going to head to Target. I'll take you guys along. So some things that I did to prepare for the trip was self-tan a lot. I whitened my teeth a lot, and I did a lot of skincare and stayed like, you know, up to date with the skincare because a lot of times I just slack on that. I also did a lot of shopping, so you just have to stay tuned because the vlog of the trip will have all of that integrated in it. You'll see all of the new clothes I bought, outfits I'm gonna put together, fun ideas that I have for content, just all of the things. So make sure you watch the next video. I am so excited. I also need to mention that I am a senior in college. I go to Arizona State University. I'm in digital marketing and I absolutely love it. But I just worked my little butt off on getting all of these assignments handed in so that I don't have to do any homework while I'm there, which is so nice because I have enough on my plate with the content that I have to take, edit, and post and draft and all of the things. So I just want to be able to focus solely on that and just like having fun and being present on the trip. But yeah, let's go ahead and pack up the food and get the car packed up, and then we're gonna head to Target, get some dinner on the way there. I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, I just changed into this beach club tee because I am so hot right now, but Ryan just came up with a really great idea, so I'm gonna go through with that. When we get there tonight, I'm going to unpack everything because that is just what I do when I go on vacation. I like to unpack, put everything away, and kind of just like live out of like the closet or the drawers instead of my suitcase. I like to be able to visually see everything I brought and put together like looks and everything like that. Okay, so here's some random things we're bringing. We have like lemons, potatoes, bananas, some alcohol, fruit wash, my Hydro Flask, some snacks, and then this is like my purse and sunglasses that I'm bringing, and Ryan has everything else in the car, so I'll show you that. Okay, there's our cooler. It's a really cute igloo cooler right there. And then the car is packed. Ryan did a great job. So we're on our way to Target. I got what I needed, which is nail glue. And now we are looking for a certain drink. And if they have it, I'll show you. Well, they don't have either of them.
All my friends think I'm so bad, doing things that I
It's like pretty late at night. I'm so tired. It's so beautiful here. You're gonna have to watch the beach vlog to see the full tour of the house, but we are about to unpack. I'm gonna give you a tiny room tour because it's not that big, but it has exactly what it needs. Okay, so you walk in here. Here's the bed immediately. Got a little bookshelf over there. Little shelf here. I love that there's a mirror in here because at least I could take like an outfit above TV. And then a nice closet. I'm gonna unpack and kind of walk you through the process. Okay, so I just unpacked a few bags. I still have to unpack this big suitcase, but I want to show you what I did so far because I'm really excited. So I hung my hat here and my bag here. I put my makeup and emptied some of the bags, and I'll show you what I did with them in a second. My tripod here, my iPad here. I have like my book, my drinks, my medications down here. And this is my favorite thing ever. Okay, look at this. So I have like my shower gel, my lotion, and my spray that all go together. I have sunscreen self-tanners, and just like all kinds of like body care. Over here we have all skincare and like bathroom, like we have the toothbrush and stuff like that. And then over here is all like my hair stuff. Moving up here we have some like little things like jewelry, my perfume, my bracelets, stuff like that. So now I'm gonna unpack this big one, which is all my clothes, so wish me luck. Okay you guys, I'm whispering because it's late, but I am done unpacking my stuff. Pretty much. I have to unpack the shoes, but that's easy peasy. I'll show you that in a second. But I hung up some really pretty clothes. I'm so excited. So here is this area again. I put my jeans and shorts and pants here, and then my pajamas here. I put two of my hats here. They're here. T-shirts, workout clothes, and then a bunch of like little tops, and then matching sets here. It's just underwear and bras, but this is all of my swimsuits, and then like two cute little cover-ups for that. And then here are some things I hung up. A couple beautiful like little dresses. On this hanger I actually have 3 things because I ran out of hangers. I'm gonna open this bag and put the shoes on the little shoe shelf. So here's a quick view of what our shoes look like in here and everything else. But yeah, overall, everything is looking so cute. I'm obsessed. My motto is to unpack as soon as possible when you get on vacation so that you can really enjoy and be organized and feel put together. I'm going to unpack Ryan's suitcase for him and put his clothes away because he's downstairs with his dad having a drink and just like, you know, talking, so it's so sweet. But I'm gonna unpack his bag and then I think I'll join them downstairs for a little bit, but it's like midnight, so I'm a little tired. My makeup is clearly coming off, but yeah, I'm gonna unpack his stuff. I'll show you the final results, and then you guys will have to stay tuned for the next vlog. Okay, just like that, I unpacked all of his stuff. I'm gonna give you a quick little room tour. So as you saw before, this is kind of like I claimed this side of the bed, so oh well for him, but Down here I put his t-shirts, underwear, socks, and tank tops and like fancier shirts, and then his like AirPods and stuff are here, and his charger's there. His 2 hats next to mine, so cute. I put his like little manly stuff over here and kind of gave him a little space up there. And then I did his like pullovers, and then all of his pants are there for him. I cannot wait for this trip. I mean, I get to wake up tomorrow and the whole thing starts. So I'm so excited. I am honestly so tired, so I can't wait to take off some of this jewelry and makeup and just get cozy and in the bed. I obviously have to still like make the bed, but I think I'm gonna go downstairs and hang out with Ryan and his dad for a little bit, and then hopefully get ready for bed and go to sleep. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.
Stop sliding doors, just wanna know you more. I hope you wanna be